Place wheel chucks so that your vehicle doesn't move. Break the bolts loose but keep them tight. You won't be able to remove them after getting the car off the ground, and you don't want to make them too loose because you might damage the wheel while you're jacking up the vehicle. Use a screwdriver to remove this cover. Place your jack pad adapter and slowly jack up the car. Now place your jack stand under the car at its lowest point. There is a box that makes placing the jack stand easy. Now repeat this process on the other side and inch up the car if you need it to be higher. Now you can remove your wheel. Hold it against the rotor while removing the last bolt so that you don't drop your wheel. Now you are able to surface your car. I recommend only lifting the front or the rear of the car at one time.